Measly Middle Ages.
What on earth are you doing?
Bleaching Dad's tunic.
In that?
Yeah, you told me to.
No, I didn't.
You said if I go to the loo in a bucket and leave it to ferment for a while, it makes a great bleach for washing Dad's tunics.
I meant when you go #1, sweetheart.
Oh, I was going to say, it doesn't look very white.
Hi, I'm a Shouty man, and I'm here to tell you about new Pee-sil non-bio. Tired of your clothes smelling of #2s? Then why not wash them in #1s? Pee-sil is the only detergent to use 100% recycled water. Let's just look at these results. Compared to water from the river, the fermented piddle in Pee-sil is up to a bit% better at removing stubborn dirt and grime.
And it has the fresh smell of old pants.
So try new Pee-sil non-bio today.
So you think that's disgusting? Well, in the Middle Ages, lots of people went to the toilet through holes in the floor, straight onto the street below.
We need to improve the toilets in our fair city as a matter of urgency.
I quite agree, Councillor. It's fast becoming a real problem.
I mean, these newfangled upstairs toilets are all very well, but sticking your bottom through a hole and pooing directly onto the street does have its disadvantages for the passers-by.
Yes, but you have to say it's better than the old days when people used to throw whole buckets of poo out of the window.
It is an improvement, granted, but I don't think it's the best solution.
Yes, this is the Middle Ages. I mean, surely someone can come up with a better system than just having it land in the street.
We could have it land in the river. Yeah, but public toilets on the bridge, people stick their bottoms through holes and then poo directly into the water.
That's brilliant, Councillor. Hang on, what about the boatmen passing underneath?
Well, are you a boatman?
No.
Nor I. So, it's settled. Public toilets on the bridge it is.
And the sooner the better.
Yeah.
You've got some.
Yes,
So try new Pee-sil non-bio today. Whee! And the dirt is gone.
And we only use natural ingredients. Water, salt, liver bile and stinky stuff for that yellowish tinge that means clean.
Warning, product contains really old wee-wee.
You think that's bad? Us Romans used wee-wee for mouthwash.
Oh, that's disgusting.
I was only saying.
Get out!
I can't help it if it's true.
Horrible Histories.